Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn from Khan Academy. First, create your free account to unlock all features, including progress tracking and personalized recommendations. Then, take a moment to explore the extensive library, which covers dozens of subjects. Select a course or specific topic that genuinely interests you or aligns with your academic needs. This initial step is crucial for setting up a successful learning journey. Once you've chosen a topic, dive into the video lessons. These short, engaging videos break down complex ideas into digestible segments, often lasting 5 to 10 minutes each. After watching, immediately tackle the practice exercises. These provide instant feedback, helping you solidify your knowledge. Don't forget to read the accompanying articles and examples for a more comprehensive understanding of the material. Khan Academy offers a robust progress dashboard where you can see your completed assignments and overall skill levels. Strive for mastery in each skill, which typically requires answering several questions correctly in a row. This system ensures a deep understanding. Regularly review any questions you answered incorrectly. This is a powerful way to identify gaps in your knowledge and improve your learning. To maximize your learning, consider setting specific daily or weekly goals. This helps maintain consistency and motivation. If you encounter challenges, the community forums are an excellent resource for asking questions and connecting with other learners. Additionally, Khan Academy provides extensive test preparation materials for various standardized exams, offering hundreds of practice questions and full-length tests to help you succeed.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.